Ose Loka is 21. Timber shed off Kenyatta Market, Enugu. 5 o'clock. The wood is fresh cut, yellow-white at the heartwood, still damp at the edges. Sawdust settled in the lines of his forearms like fine orange flour. His shirt soaked through at the back, his shoulders already aching. His Oga watches from the doorway. Tea in hand, says nothing. Ose Loka lifts the plank, carries it to the stack, returns, lifts another. At 7, his Oga calls him inside. A plate of ofede and gari on the low table. Ọrụ a na-agakwa ọfụma? Is the work going well? Not quite a question, a measurement. Ose Loka looks at his hands. The orange dust packed into the creases of his knuckles. His course mates in Nsukka still asleep. Ana m arụ ọrụ, he says. I am working. His Oga nods once, picks up his tea. That nod, that is everything. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Episode 21, Week 5, Day 1, Monday. Today, how to say what you are doing right now while your hands are in it. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. The Igbo have always known what that nod means. And so we'll tackle that with today's proverb, which is Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. The dusty hand brings the oily mouth. The muddy palm, the one in the earth, the timber, the market, the mortar, and the satisfying mouth. Not the clean hand that waited, not the tongue that negotiated without working. Dignity is accumulated, and it leaves evidence on your hands. So today, 3 sentences built on one anchor. How to say what you're doing now, not yesterday, not tomorrow, right now, while it is happening. The grammar of presence. Ose Loka eats slowly. His Oga does not eat, only watches. This too is the training. Your father spent 2.5 years here before I showed him how to read a client. Not a threat, a record. Ose Loka thinks, I have a degree. I could be in Lagos. He says nothing. Reaches for the gari. 6 weeks. You know the stack. You know the grain. His Oga refills his tea. Next month, measurements. Then estimates. Then a client. But first, you must know the wood before you sell it. Outside, one of the senior apprentices shouts across the yard, Ana m eche gị. I am waiting for you. Laughter in it. The sound of someone who has already earned his place. Oseloka's hands look clean now, the orange dust washed away by the food, by the warm water his oga left without a comment. They don't feel clean. They feel changed. Ana m eme ihe, he says quietly to himself. I am doing something. Not as a declaration, as a recognition. His oga hears it. That same nod. Evening. His classmates are in Nsukka going over notes. Oseloka is carrying the last stack across a yard that smells of resin and late sun. His arms finding their rhythm. The oily mouth. He understands it now. Not as reward, as evidence. The oga must teach, not the useful parts. Everything. And at the end, the apprentice receives capital to compete. Not charity. Equity. Emmanuel Ode and his colleagues, writing in the African Journal of Economic and Business Research in 2025, drawing on surveyed data from 375 mentors, active apprentices and former apprentices in Onitsha main market, found that 84% of former apprentices started their own businesses, and more than 70% were still running after 5 years. A separate study across the entire Southeast measured the correlation between this system and wealth creation at 0.96. What the Igbo encoded into obligation 5 centuries ago, Silicon Valley named open source in 1998. The network only compounds when knowledge flows outward. The dusty hand isn't just building a career, it's building a lineage. Now, let us build your drops for today. Repeat after me. 1. Ana m eme ihe. Ana m eme ihe. I am doing something. Ana m eme ihe. Ana m eme ihe. 2. Ana m arụ ọrụ. Ana m arụ ọrụ. I am working. Ana m arụ ọrụ. Ana m arụ ọrụ. 3. Ana m eche gị. Ana m eche gị. I am waiting for you. Ana m eche gị. Ana m eche gị. Take this with you. Anam, I am, right now. The Igbo present tense does not ask whether the moment matters. It simply insists you are in it. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. The dusty hand brings the oily mouth. Before this day ends, say Ana m arụ ọrụ while your hands are still in something. Not to practice, to be present. That is when it becomes real. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnigbonow.com. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Abụ nwanne gị nwaanyị Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka aka ọrụ gị bụrụ ihe ga-adịgide. May the work of your hands become something permanent. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.